Well, hey, it is 10:15 on a Sunday morning, and we are up and about because we've come to Thorpe Park for the day. Thought it'd be a great idea. It's Tom's birthday tomorrow. Wanted to have a day out. Checked the weather last night. Looked okay. Bit of cloud. That's it.
It's going to continue for 77 minutes, apparently.
That's it?
That's it.
Oh. You just kind of spoiled the reveal. But checked the weather this morning. Said it's going to be about 21, 22 degrees. Cloudy, a little bit of sunshine. Thought awesome. Pop my shorts on. Get a bit uncomfortable in jeans at theme parks. Wonderful. Start driving here. Starts to rain. Oh well, maybe we'll stop. Gets heavier. Check the weather. It has changed since 8 o'clock this morning. It's now going to rain. And I'm not just talking like, oh, a little bit of rain. Like, rain.
Rain.
I'm in shorts.
I set a timer for 77 minutes. If the rain stops then my app's right.
Okay. I think we need to buy ponchos.
No.
Okay. Okay, let's go. Okay, fine. Whatever, Thorpe Park. Yeah. Hello.
Hello.
We're in.
Rain is ending in 30 minutes, apparently.
We're on the countdown. Ooh. Not the only person in shorts, guys. Not the only person who was caught off guard. It's okay. First stop.
No sunglasses.
And the sun is out. Who's laughing now? And it's only 16 minutes. Gosh, that's loud. What's that, Tom? Why is it good to come on these? Why is it good to come to these places?
Because I get ideas for my computer game.
For your what?
My computer game.
So yeah, on your planet coaster. Some creative ideas. Your hair. I mean my hair, but hey. The guy behind us, we were going up the track to drop. He was like, this is major squeaky bum time.
Squeaky bum time.
Squeaky bum time. We're going to cross this next. While the queue is only 45 minutes now.
Yeah, but it's going to get even longer if you wait, so.
Why is it because it's so long? It's not good. Whatever. Oh, that was really good actually, wasn't it? like a Muppet.
A toupee.
Have you seen the Muppet movie with Walter? Walter the Muppet in it, his hair's like that. It's literally what you look like. Oh, that was really good. Noisy! Oh, we're off to Swarm. Let's get on this. I don't think Stealth is open.
No,
I'm really sad about it. It's a show. It's a real show. We're off to Swarm. This ride was the best when I was a kid. 8-year-old Georgie lived the flying fish.
8-year-old Georgie was sad.
What's anything I could ride? None of these were here back in 1998.
This was just
Went back. It was all woods back then. It was actually. It was a farm. There was goats and stuff. Oh my goodness, I think I'm going to throw up my burrito. God help me. See you later, bye. You like that one, don't you?
I like that one.
So that's your favourite. Why is it your favourite?
Smooth. Comfortable. Seems nice. Theming's good. It's a good ride.
It's a good ride. I love that one of the things you look for in a roller coaster though is comfort.
Smoothness.
Go. Oh, Negan's been. No, what's his name? Daryl's been here. Good theming, guys. I remember back when Walking Dead was really good. Although I've heard it's good again. So we just went on the Walking Dead ride. It was good. I was scared, but about nothing. There was hardly any actors in it. Ooh, you found us. Hardly any actors in it. Like 2 actors just walk towards you, go. Whoa. I don't know. They could have raised their game a little bit, do you think?
Yeah.
Raise your game, Walking Dead. It's time for.
Rumble Rapids.
No, that's not how you say it.
Rubberding Rapid.
That's rubbish. Bye, Thorpe Park. Turned out not to be so rainy after all. Oh. Oh. I was jamming. Yeah, good day. It's only like, it's not even 4 o'clock yet, so we got away nice and early. We got all the rides. I really wanted to film the Rumble Rapids. We were on a boat with like 6 strangers, so I thought it'd be a bit weird if I whip up my phone and start videoing them all. Yeah, but it was good fun, wasn't it?
Yeah, now we've got the best ride of the day. Yeah, now we've got the best ride of all is find the car in the car park.
I know, find our car. That's the biggest challenge of the day. Where do we park? Happy birthday for tomorrow.